Hello everyone, so in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to download Geometry Dash on your PC for free. So first, search up BlueStacks. Click on this link right here that says download BlueStacks and then press download. Once it's done, click the installer. Just click on yes and just press install now. Click on I agree and it will start downloading. So wait for that to finish. Okay, once it's done installing, all you have to do now is open the app and then just type right here the app you want to download. So for this video, we're going to download Geometry Dash. So type in Geometry Dash right there. Click on enter and then this will pop up. So there are many versions and kinds of Geometry Dash games. So just choose one here and then you can start playing. So that's pretty much it on how to download Geometry Dash on your PC for free. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.